trying to use filters during your WhatsApp video calls but can't find the option, you're not alone, as today I'll show you some simple solutions to get those video call filters back up and running. So first, let's make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Open the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and check for any updates. If there is an update available, install it to ensure you have all the latest features. A quick restart can often solve many issues. Simply power off your device and turn it back on. This can help clear any minor glitches affecting the app. Next, let's ensure that WhatsApp has the necessary camera permissions. Go to your device's settings, go to apps and find WhatsApp. Make sure that both camera and microphone are enabled. Sometimes you need to apply the filters before starting the video call. Open WhatsApp, go to the video call option and try using them there first, and then initiate your video call. As a last resort, consider uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. This can help reset any underlying problems, so just make sure to back up your chats before doing this. And that's it. I hope one of these solutions help you get the filters option back during your WhatsApp video calls. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.